Spent hundreds on treatment and still scratching every night? Could their gut be sabotaging their skin? Months of expensive treatments, still scratching every night, the cycle never ends. Here's what pet owners discovered. Chronic itching may often start with gut inflammation. Poor digestion can create inflammatory triggers that show up as skin problems. That's where FAWS Probiotic Chews shine. The 6-strain complex works with digestive enzymes and anti-inflammatory ingredients like bromelain and flaxseed oil to help tackle inflammation from the inside out. Pet owners report healthier skin and shinier coats when gut health improves. Ready to address the root cause instead of just managing symptoms? Shop FAWS in the link below.